I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent.
Mostly probably when I start things, when I do my things, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वीक पड़ जाता हूँ और sometimes I just feel that शायद मैं capable नहीं हूँ to handle my things, या शायद मेरा efforts उतने value मेरे को provide नहीं कर रहे जितनी मेरे को करना चाहिए. You know, you are not defined by your setbacks. Every fall is a step forward your journey or your success. खुद ही सोचो कितने plans आपने drop कर दिए सिर्फ ये सोच के कि शायद वो वर्क ना करे. कितने अपने सपनों को रोक दिया just because you doubted on yourself. Now, let me tell you one thing very straight. The people you admire today were once the people who doubted themselves. जो खुद कंफ्यूज थे, जो खुद बहुत ज़्यादा भटके हुए थे, खुद चीज़ें फिगर आउट कर रहे थे. So, in this situation, Winston Churchill said that success is not the final. Failure is not a fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts on. We all go through phases where we try, we fail, we try again. हम बस कहीं ना कहीं लगे रहते हैं, हम बस कहीं ना कहीं चीज़ों को बिल्ड करते रहते हैं, ये सोच के कि शायद कुछ हो जाएगा, बट वी लूज होप. एंड शायद हमको लगता है कि शायद ये चीज़ हमारे लिए कभी बनी नहीं. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, दिस इज द बिगेस्ट lie that life has told us, because failure doesn't mean that that thing is not made for you. Failure means that you are evolving, that you are building yourself, that you are trying to become better. The real problem, most of the people just quit before they are gonna do something very great. So why do people just quit? It's not because they are drained off, it's because they don't want to try again. It's because they are afraid of failure. It's because what people will say about them. So if you're also watching this right now, feeling stuck, feeling behind, feeling left out, just remember this: you are still in game. We may encounter many defeats, but we must never be defeated. So this is where everything changed for me. I stopped taking struggle as a problem. I started taking it as a training. Like मैं अपने आप को मोटिवेट कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपने आप को डेवलप कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपने आप को इवॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. Because in today's world, skills are more than just excuses. Client acquisition, sales, marketing, web development, these are not just business terms. These are the way of survivors. Because at the end of the day, if you know how to create value, if you know how to communicate, if you know how to sell it, you will never ever be broke. आप कभी गरीब रह ही नहीं सकते अगर आपको वैल्यू बनाना आता है, आपको उसको बेचना आता है और आपको अगर कम्युनिकेट करना आता है. These are the most important things that you should learn, and that's what I focused on. Understanding the growth, keeping the pipeline full, and maintaining the momentum was the key frame things which I have to focus on, because winners are the not most talented ones. They are the most consistent. And you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let me tell you something very real. People are just waiting for the right perfect plan, perfect timing, perfect moment. भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. You just have to start. You just have to focus on your things. You just have to लग जाना है काम पे एकदम पागलों की. But the reality, you build when you're confused, you grow when you're scared, you win when you're just figuring things out. That's the difference. Some people just wait, but others start. Some people just overthink, but others do the execution. And mark my words, execution beat perfection every single time. You just have to execute. भले ही आप गलत कर रहे हो, but आप कर रहे हो, सीख रहे हो, आप उसको आगे जाके और अच्छा करने का ट्राई कर सकते हो. You just take one small step, one small action, and you're ahead from 90% of the people. And always remember, action is the key to all success. जो हमारे एक्शंस होते हैं वही हमारी सफलता को दिखाते हैं. हम जितना ज़्यादा काम करेंगे, हम जितनी ज़्यादा अपनी चीज़ों पर फोकस रहेंगे, हम जितना ज़्यादा चीज़ों को एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, उतना ही ज़्यादा हमारे चांसेस ज़्यादा है. एक बंदा जो चीज़ें प्लान कर रहा होगा उससे ज़्यादा हमारे पास रियल एक्सपीरियंस होगा और ग्रोथ रहेगा. And if you're someone who truly wants to grow, if you want to know about real-time businesses, if you want to get clients, if you want to get more audience, if you want to build your personal brand, this is just a beginning. I am starting my things from the beginning, from the scratch, learning everything, showing everything to you. No fluff, no fake motivation, no exclusive courses, nothing. Just me, my start, my growth. These all things that I learn will be delivered to you. So, if this message connects you and you feel kahin na kahin relatable, so definitely do subscribe and stay connected, because this journey is not just mine. It's for all of those people who refused to stay settled. Drop comment and let me know where are you at your journey, and let me connect to you, and let's grow together. Remember, your future depends on what you do today, not tomorrow. So always remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going, because as long as you're going, you're winning. Just remember, your story is not over yet. It always seems impossible until it's not done. See you soon. Till then, thank you and see you again.